Greetings all. We set up a bit differently than the book since we are uploading files to the server and using one site. I'm going to show you a quick and easy solution to a problem you might otherwise have when working on any of the chapters that involve templates. First of all, we're going to do what we need to do each lesson. We're going to copy our lesson folder from our data files folder into our Web 140 root folder. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a Mac, but the same process will work quite well on a PC. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go into, and this is very important, I'm going to go into Site, Manage Site, and I'm going to confirm that my Web 140 class is selected so that I will be working in my Web 140 root folder that I've already set up. I'm going to click Done, then I will click Files, and you may need to click the refresh button. I didn't, but you might need to. So here we see Lesson 8. And inside Lesson 8, we see the Templates folder. Now, generally, when you're working on a website, your template folder will always be at the root. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on the folder, left click on it. I'm going to drag it all the way up to the top until my site Web 140 is obviously selected. In this case, it turns gray, and then I'm going to let go. Now, this is very important. Update links in the following files. It's critical that you click Update. Okay? And now we'll refresh, and we see there's the template folder at the root. We know it's at the root. Why? Because it's at the same level as all the other folders. We see with all these folders closed that the template folder is only stepped in from the Web 140 site folder, so we know it's at the root. Okay, now we're going to go back to our assets. Prior to making that move, when we click the templates link on the assets, we would not have seen anything at all here, because unless it's at the root, it won't show up in the assets folder. So we can right click on the template that we want to work with and select New from Template, and then we see we have a new file created from that template. Now I'm going to click to go back to my files folder because I want to show you something that likely is going to happen, and I don't want you to be alarmed. So we're going to save this as News File, Save As, News, and now I want to try to ideally save it inside my Lesson 8 folder. So it is going to still end up where I want it to be. I'm going to click Save. Oh my, it looks like it's broken. Well, don't fear, because what we're going to do now is we're going to close that file, and then we're going to go back into the Lesson 8 folder. And here is our news, and when we reopen it, it's going to be all well. So when you go to save your file and you see everything disappear, don't panic. Just close it and open it back up again. And now you should be able to proceed with your lesson.